Hey guys, it's David. Today we're back in Orlando and we're doing our laundry today. The place we went to is called Yo Wash Laundromat, and this place just opened up this year and the machines are all brand new. One good thing about this place is that their payment is all contactless, which is very convenient for nowadays. They got plenty of machines out here and it wasn't crowded at all. So if you happen to be in the area, look them up and come and try them out. Since the machines are all brand new, the heating is just spot on, which is what we liked. Otherwise, some of the older machines doesn't heat evenly. After laundry, we decided to have some lunch. And the place we went to is called Gyokaku, and it's a barbecue place. They have the option for all you can eat. The price are 40, 50, 60, and the difference is just the variety you get. And the yellow section is 40, the blue section is 50, the red section is 60. So go with what you like, but I would recommend just go with the red section, which is called the Supreme, since it'll give you a prime cow beef short rib, which is really good. Other menu items such as their filet mignon and their premium sirloins are both good as well. And of course, if you're feeling a little adventurous, you could always try their beef tongue. And in terms of their sauce, they have 3 different type of sauces, which is called ponzu, and the second one is spicy, and lastly they have sweet soy. The ponzu is citrus based, it's a little sour to the taste, and the spicy is just only mild, and sweet soy is self-explanatory, just sweet soy sauce. Now the grilling process is all do it yourself. If you like the kitchen to grill it for you, you can by request, but I feel like it's more fun to do it yourself. I would say the meat is very fresh, and of course if something that doesn't taste right, just let them know and they will replace it. Now the time is limited. It's limited to 90 minutes total, but we finish in just about an hour. Don't forget to try their marinated pork belly. It's really tasty. You can also grill some spinach, and also their mushroom and asparagus are good as well. Anyhow, this will wrap up the video. Thanks for watching. Again, this place is called Gyokaku, and I highly recommend it if you like barbecue.